Well, along came John Locke with an empiricist view. And part of the view is based on Locke's theory of perception and that's in part based on Locke's metaphysics. And the idea being that there are these things in the world, that is, take a look at Feldman's truck that we talked about, and not only are there things in the world, but there are ideas. For example, the ideas in Feldman's head, in Feldman's mind, where you see the label D, his idea, his picture, mental picture of the truck. And we see the idea is that there are these two kinds. There are mental objects in the world, there are these physical objects in the world, and there's a causal relationship between them, which is what the theory of perception is supposed to be doing. That is, in standard cases of perception, our senses, our sensations, our senses are affected by things in the world. That's sort of what the arrows B are indicating, that there's something about those the thing in the world A that's doing this B thing, which is having the effect on C being Feldman, and as a result you get D, that mental picture that resembles the truck, right? Let's say the truck has four wheels. The mental picture has four wheels. It has it's a flatbed pickup truck. That's true of the thing in the world, and that's true of Feldman's idea of it. Let's say it was green. The one in the world, reflects green light, and the one in his mind is similar. It is green. So this is Locke's epistemology. Locke's answer is that there are things out in the world. They cause us to have they themselves cause us to have these sensations, these appearances, and the appearances, the ideas that we have of these things in the world, are themselves copies of, or they resemble, the thing itself in the world. And people like this theory. They say, gee, what were we talking about, this Descartes stuff? Locke has his act together. This is what we all think, right? There are things out there in the world, and they have an effect on us, and based on that, we come to have knowledge about the things in the world. Why were we worried about God and all these arguments? This deceptive senses argument, the dreaming argument, the evil genius. Why are we worried? Here we think Locke has given us the answer.